problems and the challenges of life, you don't care about that. Frictions there, restless card, and you feel deceptive, try to blame you for their mistakes, and discussion about you and are done being insecure and shady and strict toward this. You are not going to take any kind of garbage. So closed off, emotional blackmailing, nothing else. Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your love reading Tuesday special. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, take guidelines. And if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. Okay, Capricorn, let's get started. What are the Capricorn person's feeling, thinking and intentions towards Capricorn? What are the Capricorn person's feeling, thinking and intentions towards Capricorn? What are the Capricorn person's feeling, thinking and intentions towards Capricorn? And we are having here Nine of Pentacles, Two of Wands, Four of Swords, Eight of Swords. What are the Capricorn's feeling, thinking and intentions toward this person? What are the Capricorn's feeling, thinking and intentions toward this person? And we are having here the Moon, Wheel of Fortune, Five of Swords, Knight of Swords. What are the mutual energies? What are the mutual energies? And we are having here the word Five of Wands. These are your cards and sign that could relate it to your person. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Four of Swords, Five of Swords, Knight of Swords, Eight of Swords. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Five of Wands, Two of Wands. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Nine of Pentacles. Pisces with this Moon. Let's talk about your person's feeling. Your person feel like that you are single, independent, free, full of abundance, and you don't care about the baggages and regrets and the pressure, the anxiety. You don't care about the life too much, the problems and the challenges of life. You don't care about that. You are independent, you are full of abundance. You know how to face life, you know how to handle life, how to deal with problems. This person get a feel from you. You are independent, self-sufficient, and full of abundance, a free person. And this person tired a bit. This person is a tired warrior. This person don't find any strength to fight with you. Whenever they think about you, they already feel tired. The shoulders heavy. They feel like everything is just falling apart. This person feels so sick and tired when they are just thinking about how to deal with you, and already this person feel tired. And this person is like about you, frictions there. Sometimes this person feel like that they should be with you, and the other moment they feel like that they should choose someone else. They should explore other options. Sometimes this person's this indecisive, frictions there, restless card. And with this restlessness, this person's overthinking too much, like thinking about a certain thing too much. This person is like be with you the way we are, or just explore other option. What should I do now? How to do? What's your reaction? What people must say? People pleasing and thinking about people, negativity, thoughts, pressure. This person, when they are just thinking about the choices, it's about to take decision towards you. This person feel any kind of decision. It could be any kind of decision. Whenever this person think about you and about this relationship, this person feel like their pressure. They are just stuck in their mind, a lot of stuckness. And this person is like not take didn't take don't got that strength to take any decision about this relationship. Sometimes they feel like that they be with you, and sometimes they feel like that they should do like they should find someone else. This person is indecisive and feel tired. This person is tired. This person want to take break from all this heavy lifting work, the burden on their mind. And they just want to take break from that. And you are the first card is the first thing this person know about you. You are full of abundance, and you are not clear about this person. You feel deceptive. You feel some kind of deception. This person is deceptive. This person is keeping secrets from you, keeping things from you. This person is like you don't have a clear vision about this person. You don't think this person is the straightforward and the clear and bright. as they just, yes, they are shady, they are shady, and that's why there is a conflict and disagreement between both of you, a fight between both of you. You really don't want to, this person to some kind of, impose things on you. Like they try to, prove you wrong. Sometimes they try to impose things on you, try to blame you for their mistakes. You're not going to let that happen. And someone is jealous, this person is jealous, there is jealousy, love and a hate kind of situation towards you. This person sometimes feel like they love you, sometimes they feel like they hate you. This person is aggressive towards you, making you angry as well. But the thing is that no matter what, this is a major arcana card, everything is in your favor. Whatever happening, whatever this person trying to do, whatever this person, you know what kind of energies and what kind of feelings they have towards you, but everything is in your control and everything is in your favor with this Wheel of Fortune. And someone is definitely aggressive and mad at you, jealous of you, disagreement between both of you. You feel like that this person is deceptive and keeping secret, keeping things from you, and there is some kind of, a cycle complete between both of you. A new cycle began. This person, and about you, this person feel like that you are an empath, you are divine. This person get a feel from you, you are complete, full of joy. This person get a feel from you. And discussion about you and this relationship and this person. There is some kind of discussion about the whispers, the discussion when family, friends, all think talking about you, giving their opinions and discussing this relationship. Like, this is about that. Let's see what else we have for you, Capricorn. Okay, what else we have for Capricorn? Okay, Ace of Sword, Queen of Sword, and Ten of Cups. You want clarity. This person know that you are done being insecure and shady, and this person keeping secret from you. This person know that you want clarity, to the point, no double meaning answers, to the point, straightforward answer from this person, clear cut thing from this person. You are not going to take any kind of double meaning and cover up and any kind of sugarcoat things. You want clear cut answer from this person, and this person know that you want clarity, and you are stuck toward this person. This person also want to give you clarity and also want to have a new beginning with you, with all clearing all the fog, clearing all the darkness. Yes, they know that, but thing is that this person is like deciding what should they do about you. Be with you the way we are, or just do something else, or take a next step, that kind of. And this person is like overthinking about this matter, and you are strict toward this. You are really strict toward this. You are not going to take any kind of garbage, any kind of BS. You are so gonna cut this person's BS if this person try to throw any. And completion, both of you are a complete perfect partner. You are so capable of give anyone a completion of love and completion of family. You are so capable of that. You can. And this person also looking for that. You are also looking for, in return, you want someone to give you the completion of love and family. This is what you also want. Let's see what else we have for you, Capricorn. What else we have for Capricorn? What else we have for Capricorn? And we are having here Six of Cups, Page of Cups, and Four of Cups. A lot of emotions. This person is missing you. There is a new love offer for you. Someone immature, a new person is offering you love, and this person is missing you, and you are just so closed off for all of excuses. You feel like that is just emotional blackmailing, nothing else. This person is missing you. Maybe they tell you they miss you, someone new, or maybe this person offering their cup of love, but you are like, just okay, I'm done. You are just stubborn. You are in a no mood. You are a little bit okay. I'm not, interested in your. It's for you. It's just excuses, and these are just emotional blackmailings. You think like that. Okay, let's see what your angel want to add in this reading. What your angel want to add in this reading, and we are having here, you are a light worker. God need you to shine your divine light and love like an angel upon the earth and all of its inhabitants. Beautiful message. Wow, you are a light worker, Capricorn. Okay, let's see what advice messages. Don't give up, have faith, work for your success, enjoy your friendships. These are few advice messages in the end, and the summary of your reading is this person is indecisive right now and overwhelming and overthinking and tired a bit. This person about you, this person know that you are full of abundance, you are free, you are independent, and but this person you feel like that this person is deceiving, hiding facts from you, keeping some kind of secret. This person is just like you feel deceptive toward this person. Not this person is shady, not so clear about this person. There is some kind of conflicts between both of you, and this person, someone is jealous of you, overthinking, and this person is offering their emotions and their feelings, but you are just for you it's just emotional blackmailing. These are few summaries of your readings. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you so much for your time and attention. God bless you. Bye.